The next topic is data types in Python. In programming, the next topic is data types in Python. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types do different things. Variables are containers for storing data. Let's see an example. Let's imagine that we have a data type A. We have a data type string, that is hello, and the variable is A. The value of A is hello, and we want to print hello. Then we will use this variable A to print A, and it will print hello. So this is an variable that is storing hello for us. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. Variable can change type after they been set. So we have set the value hello for A. Now we are changing the value 120, and the data type is different because A is a string and 120 is a number. Hello is a string and 120 is a number. So we are changing the type of a variable, and if we print A, then it will print 120. And if we print type of A, it will print a number, integer number. And if we change again A to hello, then it will print hello. And if we print type of A, then it will print string, a class string. So this is how a variable works. Now let's see example of each data types: number, string, list, tuple, and dictionary. One example of everyone. So let's go to the Python IDE, Python's terminal, and we will see examples here. You can also use this because we are using this, so we don't need to print anything. Like we are saying A is equal to 120, and we will only write A and it will print 120. So we don't need to write here print and all. So just start with numbers. A is an we are assigning 120 to A. So the value of A is 120 and it is a number. So if we print type of A, it will print integer. Numbers have float and complex, or also complex data type also. So we will see that later. Now let's see string. How string can be printed. We can print like this is like this, and this is this. So see a list. For the list we have the syntax, uh, brackets, and we can write data in this bracket, and this is a list. So it will print a list for us. We can write multiple variables like this, and we can assign 1 2 3 like this, and we want to print A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. This is the beauty of Python. We can assign variables value to variables in one line also. So the next thing is tuple. We can assign value of tuple like this. It is its syntax is small brackets, and we can write data in the small brackets. We'll discuss more it about later. We are seeing just an example and clarifying the syntax. So the next thing is dictionary. Dictionary is a key value pair, so we need to write first key, like name. Name is uh, Python, and age is 20. So now if we want to print A, it will print a dictionary for us. Name is Python. If you want to print A name, if you want to print name that is stored in A, so it will print Python for us. Oh, it is giving an error because we are not passing it into the quotation. That's why it is giving an error to us. So it will give Python, and if you want to print age, we need to give it in a quotation because it is not a variable, it is a key, so it will print 20. So that's all about these standard data types. Now let's see two different data types, boolean and sets. So booleans have values true or false. So if we want to print false, a is equal to false, we don't need to pass it into a quotation. We can just assign a to false, and if you want to print a, it will return false. And if we want to print b as true, we can write just it true, and b is true. So it is very important data type in Python, because it is entirely used. Like if you want to see a is equal to hello, and if we want to check in the string, we have h, so we have h in the string, so it will return true. So the syntax is to find the character in the string, just a in h in a, and it will return true. And if we want to search for I that is not in the string, and it will return false. So in is a keyword that will return true or false. It is used in if conditions also, that we will discuss later. So this is the boolean data type. Now let's see about sets. So set is defined using curly brackets. Set 1, it is an unordered or unindexed list. Unindexed set is unordered and unindexed. So we can just write 1 5 2 3 anything. But we if we write 3 3 3 3 3, sets don't repeat, set don't have duplicate values. So if we want to print s, it will print 1 5 2 3, and in the order can be anything, like 1 2 3 5, the order should be changed. So 1 2 3 5, so it is not returning 3 4 times, it is returning it one time, because sets don't have duplicates. So these are all about data types. We will discuss more functions and methods of these data types later. Like sets have union, update, and these functions. List have the functions append, delete, remove, replace, and all. So we will discuss these things in uh, later. So this was all about